Lexi music.
Just go. अरे गाइस मैं एक कैंडिडेट को मैसेज कर दूं, 1 मिनट रुक जाओ.
Candidate.
Such a beautifully serene evening this is, one that almost feels like a reward in itself. We stand on the brink of this beautiful escape to Nainital for fresh air, great views and even better company. A rare blessing for no text, 0 emails and 0 rewards, and even rarer blessing of Charam. I'm not asking me कि कितने submissions हुए. Submissions से याद है, I can't see Mehnaz. She was supposed to be here with me. Mehnaz, where are you?
Wait. Finally कैंडिडेट ने डॉक्यूमेंट्स भेज दिए हैं. Let me submit it.
Submit. Do that.
मतलब आज भी तुम दोनों नहीं मानोगे ना यार. आज तो मान ही जाओ कम से कम प्लीज, बिकॉज हेनरी सर अब नहीं पूछेंगे कि कितने सबमिशंस हुए हैं.
एक सबमिशन की कीमत तुम क्या जानो उमेश बाबू. हर रिक्रूटर का ख्वाब होता है एक ऑफर, एक स्टार्ट.
Exactly guys, थोड़ा entertainment भी जरूरी है, but I guess we forgot something. We are actually on a stage. Audience भी हाल है, रिहर्सल खत्म हो चुकी है.
Now snapping back to the moment. Hello and good evening everyone and welcome to the 3rd annual meet of First Connect Health.
Festive Escape 3.0. It's truly wonderful to see everyone here tonight. Tonight it's all about celebrating our journey, our achievements, and most importantly us, First Connect Health.
हाँ जी अनन्या, तो बनाएंगे इस एनुअल मीट को और भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग.
बनाएंगे, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग बनाएंगे, but as we have a whole family of First Connect here with us, wearing their best outfits, looking their most glamorous selves, and on their best behavior. That's a questionable one. But still, don't you think they deserve to be addressed first? So welcome.
रुको जरा, स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा.
Alright guys, how can you start the event without us? Do you think you'll be able to handle it?
No.
Exactly. Let's do this the right way.
Oh.
The right way. Proper introduction के साथ. Start करते हैं इस कठोरा स्टाइल के साथ.
So hello, namaste, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल and welcome to annual meet Festive Escape 3.0 organized by First Connect Health. वो भी पूरे
3 साल बाद.
मैं आपका दोस्त, आपका होस्ट काल काजी.
I'm Hanaz Ansari.
I am Ananya Singh.
हाँ जी, दिस इज उमेश सिंह रजावत.
I Lexi Singson.
And I am Soyu Izami.
Welcome everyone.
Oh my God.
So
Too loud. Now that we're here, the stage already feels a lot more complete and honestly, definitely better vibe. What the fuck? अच्छा जिसकी लाइन हो ना वो बीच में आते जाना.
Definitely. What the fuck?
अभी मैं बोल
No,
रहा
I skip one of my
No,
lines.
that's-
Now that we're
That's why
here,
I'm saying that we need cue
let me
cards there as
let me
well.
complete. देखो सब लोग को पता है ना किसकी कहाँ लाइन है. जिसकी लाइन हो उसको बीच में आ जाने देना.
मैं वही करूँ.
Just
ऐसा नहीं
don't
हो
walk
बेचारा
around
वही
too
बता
much.
रहा है.
Just don't walk around too much. Don't walk around too much on the stage.
हाँ, चलो.
बीच में
Now
हाँ,
that we're here, guys. Now that we're here, the stage already feels more complete and honestly a lot more picture perfect and definitely better vibe overall. So, Menas and Ananya, why don't you guys give us a little space to enhance the vibe?
Happily.
Way too straightforward. Don't you think, Lexi? I mean, if the plan was to have the entire spotlight to yourself, you could have just said so earlier. We would have happily dimmed the rest of the stage.
Fair enough.
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Fair enough, Mehnaz.
Okay. Done.
Fair enough, Mehnaz. I mean, when someone is putting that much effort to stay in the spotlight, the least we can do is to step aside and let her have the stage for her commitment. So, the stage is all yours, Lexi. Enjoy.
जल्दी वहाँ से हटो. जल्दी.
Bye. See you again soon.
Bye. See you soon. Now that our overly enthusiastic hosts have finally stepped aside, guys, we can start the real fun.
Enough suspense. What are we still waiting for? We are all
Yeah,
here.
Mike.
We are all here.
He has a mic.
Yes, he's on mic ना. आपके पन्ने आपको वापस.
ये आपके पन्ने आपको वापस करते हुए.
काम हो चुका है. Thank you. Start.
Now that again, since our overly enthusiastic hosts have finally stepped aside, we can start the real fun, guys.
Enough
Alright.
suspense. We are all here. What are we still waiting for? Let's get this started.
बिल्कुल. तो फिर काल भाई ये बताइए कि इस स्क्रिप्ट में इतने सारे चेंजेस क्यों हो रहे हैं?
चेंजेस नहीं हो रहे उमेश, एनर्जी अपग्रेड हो रही है.
Oh, I see.
Don't you think the stage needed a little bit more excitement, Umesh?
Let's see. I think you're right.
And trust me, guys, what's coming next isn't just energy; it's a whole different vibe.
Impressive confidence. Let's see if the night slips up. You have completed your line now?
Okay. And don't worry, is it my line? No.
It's mine. Impressive confidence. Let's see if the night slips up.
Sure. All right. And it's
अच्छा
time.
जी, अच्छा जी.
Acha ji. So it's time to turn this movement.
अरे भाई अच्छा जी हम क्या कर रहे थे?
Give me space to say दिमाग खराब है.
अच्छा जी तो हम क्या कर रहे थे?
यार दिमाग खराब कर रहे हो उमेश.
Please stop, Lexi and Umesh. We're here to add more fun, not madness. Okay?
Okay.
Let's keep this vibe on the stage. भाई audience पागल है ये सब.
Lexi is your.
और जल्दी खत्म हो जाए वाले लोग.
हम तो हो चुके हैं.
Sorry guys, plan upgrade हो चुका है.
And don't worry guys, we promise no long buck tonight. We know your attention spans disappears faster than your salary.
So no overthinking, no distractions. Just be here in the moment because from now on, we are not just continuing the night, we are making it count.
So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for this night with full of pride and achievements.
Entertainment and surprises.
And a little bit of drama.
And zero emails, voicemails, texts.
Ha ha ha.
As we begin this special moment, let's take a pause to acknowledge the vision that brought all of us together. A vision that turned into opportunity and a journey that became all of ours. While Mr. Pargar Merabali couldn't be with us today, his leadership and vision to inspire us every step of the way. Let's carry this spirit forward as we begin this celebration.
Well, behind every successful leader, there is never just one name. There is always a strong support system, a shared vision, and someone who stands by at every step of the journey. क्योंकि सफलता की कहानी कभी एक नाम से पूरी नहीं होती. इसके पीछे होती है एक सोच, एक साथ और एक खूबसूरत साथ का एहसास. With these beautiful words, please join me welcoming the support that empowers. Mrs. Nandita Merapalli. May I have someone to please present the bouquet to
May I ask volunteer someone?
ठीक है. Okay.
It's always a pleasure to talk about leaders who bring clarity, confidence, and a strong direction. And today we are proud to present our truly special leaders. One keeps things light with his humor, often cracking jokes here and there just to keep everyone engaged, and just as quickly brings everyone back with focus and discipline. Meanwhile, she brings vision, strength, and a calm direction, often making complex things feel simple. Together, they balance each other perfectly. So, please join us in welcoming Mr. Pankaj Singh Garia and Mrs. Purnima Kumari.
Wow.
May we have the volunteers present the bouquet to them, please? Done.
Wow, Lexi, what a beautiful welcome. Okay, so now it's my honor to introduce two inspiring personalities and known for their excellence, known for their leadership, dedication, and contributions to make a remarkable impact. So, guys, please join us in welcoming Mr. Himanshu Sabharwal and Rahul Jha, known for their excellence, vision, and strong commitment to success. Let's welcome them with a warm round of applause.
Good job, good job. Every great evening needs an opening. Needs a great opening. Not sorry, what the fuck? Every great evening needs a great start. Not just an opening, but now let me look at it. Every great evening needs a
good start.
Every great evening needs a good start, not just an opening, but that moment which sets the tone for everything that follows.
And the best beginnings are not loud; they are meaningful. Not just a ritual,
but a symbol of vision, a symbol of purpose, clarity, and bright path ahead.
All right, it's time to turn this movement into a memory.
Let's welcome the woman behind the vision, Mrs. Nandita. Sorry, Nandita, मैं भी बोलूँगा.
A guiding force of this journey, reliable and impactful. Thank you, sir.
Of course, a presence that brings warmth, grace, and positivity to every moment. Penny ma'am.
bringing a truly global perspective to our journey, Henry sir.
A key driver of performance and excellence, Rahul sir. आपका line.
Sorry.
Please join
Please
us.
join us on the stage for lamp lighting ceremony.
Okay, bye.
Thank you everyone for marking this beautiful